Hey guys! Welcome back to my channel. I will show you how to lose buttocks and abdomen fat in a week, through barley water drink without exercise, to enjoy buttocks and abdomen flat. But in the beginning, if you are not subscribed to our channel, please support us by subscribing to the channel and activate the bell. Health benefits of barley water. Barley water ranks high in the category of healthy beverages because it is loaded with essential nutrients. Since barley is a good source of soluble and insoluble fiber, vitamins, essential minerals, calcium, iron, manganese, magnesium, zinc and copper, antioxidants and phytochemicals which are believed to lower the risk of heart disease and diabetes, barley water too draws out these benefits to make itself a health booster. Promotes weight loss. Since barley is an excellent source of fiber, barley water too retains this characteristic in some measure. It therefore proves to be a great option for those seeking to lose weight as it tends to fill you up for a longer time, thus cutting down on your food intake. Moreover, as it is good for digestion, it also stimulates the metabolism of fats. But this definitely doesn't mean that you can indulge in fatty foods and expect barley water to work its magic. Why you should give it 1. Aids in detoxification. Regular usage of barley water helps flush out toxins from the body and the intestines through the urinary tract. This process is primarily triggered by a group of sugars called beta-glucans which are present in the cell walls of barley. It therefore helps in cleansing the internal system of the body. 2. Home remedy for urinary tract infections. Since barley water acts as a diuretic, in many households in India, it is considered to be a natural remedy for urinary tract infections, and children or adults are often recommended a few glasses of barley water on a daily basis till the infection subsides. It is also said to be a good remedy for kidney stones or cysts. Are you enjoying the video so far? Then give us your opinion to let us know how we are helping you in your health. Also, give it a thumbs up and share the video with your friends. 3. Helps in digestion-related problems. Barley water is considered as a digestive tonic which helps in facilitating the process of digestion. It is often recommended to those suffering from constipation or diarrhea. According to the book Barley for Food and Health, Science, Technology and Products, by Rosemary K. Newman and C. Walter Newman, barley water is a beverage known since ancient times as a folk remedy or preventative for numerous ailments, such as gastroenteritis and heat exhaustion. Since it is a light beverage, it is easy on the stomach, and because it contains essential minerals, it aids in various processes of the body. 4. Lowers cholesterol and blood sugar. Being a good source of fiber and beta-glucans, barley water also works towards keeping a check on blood cholesterol by inhibiting the absorption of LDL and triglycerides from food, and blood sugar by improving insulin resistance. Moreover, it has anti-inflammatory properties which not only help in cooling the body but in protecting the heart as well. How to make barley water? To make the most of this healthy drink, it is best to stir it up at home. It is simple to make and you can even use flavor boosters and sweeteners to improve the taste. You can use hulled barley or pearl barley to make the drink. Ensure that you cook the grains well to extract the most nutrients from it. If you like to see more such videos, hit the subscribe button so that you can stay updated when I post new videos. Also, give it a thumbs up and share the video with your friends. Thank you for watching, and until next time, take care.